Today on Impossibly Kosher, fluffy, fragrant, and perfect jasmine rice. We're going to start off with 2 cups of jasmine rice and adding it into a strainer. Start washing the rice with cool water until the water runs clear. Here we are washing away the excess starch from the rice, so don't be afraid to use your hands to mix them around. Next, put your washed rice in a pot and add 2.5 cups of cold water. Put the heat on high and mix the rice for a few seconds. Add a teaspoon of salt and a generous teaspoon of chicken soup mix. Mix a bit, then add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Continue to mix until the soup mix is dissolved completely. Now wait for the water to start to boil. While you're waiting, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. As soon as it does, give it a final stir, put the lid on, lower the heat to low, and set the timer for 17 minutes. Now it is very important, don't lift that cover. Just trust the times and you'll see it will come out perfect. Turn the heat off, take the rice off the hot burner, still leaving the cover on, and set the timer for 20 minutes now to let the rice settle. This is the final stage that will get the rice to the perfect texture and consistency. Once it is done, finally lift the lid. Give the rice a gentle mix and give it a taste. If it needs a bit more salt, simply add some, mix it again, and give it a taste. Then transfer it into a nice container, serve, and enjoy. There you go. Easy, step-by-step guide to the perfect, fluffy jasmine rice every time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check out some of our other Impossibly Kosher videos.